I hate Kendrick Lamar, by the way, that stupid little fuck. मैं भी मुंह में लेता fat shaming के साथ I am always going to stand.
Chris Brown. Yeah, Chris Brown.
अरे इसकी माँ की चूत. Majority of the people can consider me a baila. I'm justifying my hate. Check this out.
Are you a Coldplay fan?
Definitely. Yeah, of course. I mean, Coldplay. Yeah.
All right.
I'm a big Coldplay fan.
Yeah. Of course, yes.
Yes. Name any two members from Coldplay.
Look, name any two members. All right. देखो, ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि well, let's just first let them finish. Or let them finish. Then we'll talk.
चल Coldplay के दो member का नाम.
एक तो पहले तो इसका पेट कहाँ तक लटक रहा है. Fucking crazy, bro. Look, fat shaming के साथ I am always going to stand because that's something which is in your hand. All right. Being born with a disability, whatever, you know what I mean? That was not in your hand. You got dealt with the wrong cards, and I'm really sorry for that. But being fat, bro, you're कोई ऐसे जबरदस्ती नहीं खिला रहा है. मैं लड्डू खा जा रहा हूँ. No, bro, like you choose. We are going way off here, but I'm just saying, bro, पेट कहाँ तक इसका लटक रहा है देखो ना. My goodness.
यार ये क्या हो?
देख लवड़े है ना, कितना जोर से iPhone 15, 18 Pro Max लेके घूम रहा है ये. कितना जोर से लोग बोल रहे थे I'm a big fan. But look, if you are a Coldplay fan, or they have 90, 100 something million listeners on Spotify, look, no one can. This is not acceptable to just suck their cock so much that you know सारा का सारा लार टपक टपक के है ना पूरे उसके नाभि तक पहुंच जा रहा है. You know what I mean? And you can't even name two members of the band. All right, that's they look. मैं भी मुंह में लेता था bands का. मैं भी बैंड्स का मुंह में लेता था. किसका मुंह में लेता था? fucking One Direction. ओके, सबके नाम मैं गिना दूं. अभी मैं भूल चुका रहूंगा. एक का तो देहांत भी हो गया ना हाल ही में. Niall Horan. What's the other guy name, bro? Harry Styles, Zayn Malik, Louis Tomlinson कोई तो था. ओके, आई थिंक दैट्स इट. 4 ही लोग थे ना शायद से. ब्रो लेकिन अपने ज़माने में एक आदमी का नाम गिरा दे, एक गाने सुनो. जैन मलिक का मैं मुंह में लेने के लिए इतना ज़्यादा रेडी था ना कि मतलब जैन बस तू गिरा दे. You know what I'm saying? So if you are that big of a fan and whatever, knowing names is that like the least thing that is, you know, demanded from you. क्या पूछ लिया बोल रहा है मोटा. बॉल तो देखो कहाँ तक लटक रहा है इसका. Fucking goodness gracious, bro.
एक member बता दे Coldplay का. चल दो ने एक
बता दे लौड़े. एडम कौन है?
Chris Brown. Yeah, Chris Brown.
अरे इसकी माँ की चूत.
I know.
अरे भाई रील देखा था मैंने, मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो सब.
अरे तो ऐसा बोलना. अरे सुनो, मुझसे भी पूछा था मेरी शूटर ने. मुझसे उसने पूछा था Coldplay आ रहा है. मैं बोला लौड़े मैं तो जाऊंगा नहीं, टिकट बहुत महंगी होगी. मैंने एक गाना नहीं सुना है. हिम फॉर द वीकेंड सुना है मैंने खाली. उसको मैं हम भी नहीं कर सकता इतना पहले मैंने सुना था. इंडिया में आके कुछ तो शूटिंग किया था ना उन्होंने आई गेस. मैं सीधा उसके मुंह पे बोला था कि लौड़े मैं लंच से भी नहीं जाऊंगा, टिकट महंगी होने वाली है मुझे पता है, मैं उनको सुनता भी नहीं हूँ. फिर उसने बोला हम लोग रीसेल करेंगे. तो मेरे दिमाग में आया हाँ चल थोड़ा मेहनत करते टिकट खरीदने के लिए. लौड़े से टिकट मिला भी नहीं. उसको अहमदाबाद का टिकट मिल गया था, बाद में उसने बेच भी दिया मेरे ख्याल से 2x 3x पे तो बेचा ही होगा. राइट. सो यही बात है. ठीक है. बीइंग रियल इज रियली नेसेसरी ब्रो.
प्रेस करने के लिए याद
लड़की को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए लौड़े. लड़की यही देख के इम्प्रेस हो जाएगी इतना बड़ा है यहाँ पे. ठीक है लौड़े.
भूल गया.
अभी लड़कियां इम्प्रेस नहीं होंगी भाई.
तो क्या?
Big fan. Big fan है big fan. So go book your Coldplay tickets from Book My Show.
Hi, go book your tickets from Book My Show. And then you go to the subreddit. सब लोग ये मुंह में ले रहे हैं है ना. It's finally over bro. I'm so happy it's over. मेरे फीड वैसे भी ये सबसे भरा हुआ था नहीं bro. I'll be honest with you है ना. Like you see what you like on Instagram and whatever. I was not liking none of these reels bro. I'll be honest with you. You know what I mean? God proposed. Good for you bitch. You see this? मान इतनी मेहनत की यार है ना. चलो मम्मी को मजा आया होगा तो ठीक है. जबरदस्ती ना करा बस भाड़ मैंने. On the main account Lamau. I don't know who this guy is. ये तो बैंड मेंबर ही होगा. Nice triceps bro. Did not know S24 Ultra could zoom so well in video. Yeah, Samsung is Samsung bro. Look at that. Fucking brazy, bro. Fucking brazy. My S23 also zoomed. मेरे best S23 है, by the way. Love this phone so much. People who said Ahmedabad show could be empty had no idea what they were saying. Lol. No way. No one said this, bro. Ahmedabad show could not have been empty. Okay, all of them have deep pockets from selling Douglas. Fuck is he talking about, bro? They gave me guitar pick, guys. Boomra is finally here. Boomra भी लौड़े से एक बैंड मेंबर का नाम नहीं बता पाएगा. Look, I don't have no issue. All right, I don't have no issue. And matter of factly, it's good for the economy. Look, you need to think about things like this. ये लोग आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. कितने लोग को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल रहा है? बहुत सारे लोग को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल रहा है. होटल्स का दाम बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है. फ्लाइट्स ज़्यादा बुक होंगी, यू नो आई मीन. एंड देन सिक्योरिटी लगेगी, स्टेडियम को साफ करने. ब्रो, इतना सारा इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज हो रहा है ना, खाली इन 4 लोगों, कितने भी लोग हैं पता नहीं, 4-5 लोग आने की वजह से. It's unimaginable, you know what I mean. And they are really helping the economy, so I'm really with it, right? But I just think that you need to be authentic. If you are sucking someone's dick so much, you need to know at least a little bit about them, bro. And you need to be honest on the other hand. All right, like on this side, you just need to be honest. देखो, मैं किसी को लौड़े से नहीं जानता हूँ. I'm going just for the experience. You get what I'm saying? I'm going just for the experience. Like either if you are bagging a chick or banging a chick, I would say really good outcome of going to the concert. But if you're just going to post a story, nah, bro, and you have not even listened to a song, you get what I'm saying? You have not even listened to a song. You don't even have a favorite album from them. Look, albums को front to bottom सुनना कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है ना. If you are fan of an artist and you can't even name me a couple of their favorite albums, you get what I'm saying? If you can't even name the artist's couple top 3 favorite albums, whatever, then you're not even a real fan, bro. Got a chance to meet John Martin. Did you return? I don't know. I just find all these people to be a little Baelish, bro. You get what I'm saying? Baelish का मतलब तुम लोग को पता होगा, Baila-esque. And I it's just my opinion, okay? I'm afraid of cockroaches. Some majority of the people can consider me a Baila because of that, all right? But I don't know, all this wave of people, I don't have no hate for them, but I just think, majority of them are going to be really pretentious. You get what I'm saying? More often than not, majority of these people will turn out to be pretentious as fuck. I'm still not over it. I don't think I'll be. Had an amazing time. Best band in the world. Bet this guy can't name. You know what I mean? No one. Chris Martin. Post-concert depression. Laura Lassun. This made me cry. Yeah, look, I'm not this guy. Look at this. Read this shit. Coldplay concert planning. I prefer going to temples and mountains instead. Look, I'm not this guy. Go, enjoy, alright? I could have, after we were not able to find tickets, at one time, मैंने ऐसा भी सोचा था कि चल अगर 1.5x हमें देना पड़ रहा है, supposedly, to buy the ticket. I'm ready to buy. It will be a good experience. Okay? I was ready for this. But, you need to be authentic. You need to be real. At the end of the day, people are people. They can act as a poser, you know what I mean? And they can act corny. It does not matter, all right? You do you. But I'm justifying my hate. You get what I'm saying? I'm not this guy, okay? Stop enjoying. No, you can enjoy. But be real about the enjoyment. You know what I mean? Do not be fake that I'm such a big fan, like, whoa, yay. And एक आदमी का तू नाम नहीं बता पा रहा है, तेरे पास एक फेवरेट एल्बम नहीं है, ठीक है? तेरे पास उस एल्बम का कुछ ऐसा सीक्वेंस नहीं है कि सॉन्ग 3 to 6 मतलब was like the best 3 songs ever, you know what I mean, 3 song run. You can name shit and you are acting as a super fan. Basically, I hate for people who be who are posers in anything, bro. Even look, this shit can be accounted for in a lot of things in sports. You know what I mean? They were like, I watch football. क्या पसंद है रोनाल्डो मेसी लवड़े मतलब मुझे पता दे इसका मीनिंग क्या है ना you failed in life if you are acting like this, bro. You do things to get validity from the outside. All right, look, this shit is so cliche. It is said so often, but look, this thing holds the like so much truth, and this thing will keep holding truth to the end of time. All right, do things for your own self, do things for your own enjoyment, do things that you want to do rather than doing them in such a way कि अरे यार अगर मैं कर लूँगा तो है ना 4 लोग देखेंगे स्टोरी देखेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को है ना मैं बात कर पाऊंगा इसके बारे में that shit is not cool and that shit will never ever be cool, bro. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was just my complaint, that was just my little rant. And yeah, I hope you learned something from it, and I hope if you are about that life, you stop being about that life, you start being real, bro. You know what I mean? Kendrick का कौन सा गाना था मेरा? I hate Kendrick Lamar, by the way, that stupid little fuck. You know, I hate that guy, bro. I hate the guy. But उसका कौन सा गाना था? Real. If you have listened to it, from GKMC, I think if I try to sing it, कॉपीराइट लौड़ा सुना जाएगा एंड इफ पॉसिबली मैं 2-4 रुपए कमाऊँ इस वीडियो से वो भी छीना जाएगा मुझसे बट रियल इज सच अ रियल सॉन्ग ऑलराइट लिसन टू रियल एंड बी रियल ओके सो या सी यू